What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. A little bit of a different video today. I have a special box behind me that I'm going to open up for everybody. On 7/6, July 6th, we're hosting a NYC Zoos Club group ride. It's invite only. We got a lot of great sponsors, but one of our sponsors is Zoos itself. And they sent me a care package filled with goodies. I don't know what. I have no idea. It's a big box. It's all for the giveaway. So I'm going to crack this thing open and see what's inside. All right. Here we go. Switch the camera angle. Oh shit, okay. Okay, we got some hookworms. Lots of hookworms. One. Oh my god, what is that? The hookworms are just padding. Two. Yo, this is nuts. Three. Four hookworms, and this looks like a frame. What the fuck? Yo, this is a fucking, holy shit. Holy shit. It's like a hot pink vaporwave color frame. Like, it fades from pink to orange, it looks like. Wow, purple. Damn. All right, let me put this down. There's more. These are more tires, it seems. Maybe these are sticky sweets. You gotta be careful. You don't want to rip anything. Yeah. Holy shit. We got 4 sticky sweets in here. And they are the 2.6. So they're for the regular size Zoos, not the Flex. These are for your UUs and your 1100, 750. So we got 8 tires total and a frame. And it looks like, I want to check and see. It's a frame set. It's frame handlebars. Holy shit. This is crazy. There's something else in it. Forks. Yeah. It looks like a full frame kit. Frame handlebars, forks. This is going to be an incredible giveaway, incredible ride. 4 sticky sweets in that ring, 4 maxis, and a frame set. Thank you so much, Chris and Zeus. We cannot wait to ride, and I cannot wait to give these away.